Friends, I had something happen to me that has never happened before. I was cleaning out one of my closets, you know, a little spring cleaning like you do, and all of a sudden I saw a box at the bottom of the closet, and I took it out and I was like, wait a minute, what the heck is this? It had cash advance on the outside of it, and I looked at the postmark and it said December 18th, 2017. Friends, that is almost 3 years ago, which means I have a box here from Cash Advance, apparently something I ordered 3 years ago, and for some reason it got lost in the shuffle, got put in the closet, and I have no recollection. I have no idea what I ordered from Cash Advance. I just created a geocaching mystery box and I didn't even know it. So after 3 years, I'm going to open this package that I have no idea. I have no idea what's in this. But before I do that, I've gotten behind and look at all the mail! Mail coming from heaven. It's geomail coming from heaven. I have a lot of things to unbox here, so I decided let's do it all in one video. The first piece of mail, and this is from Melinda Watson. Look, so cute. She put a little Elmo stamp on it. What is this? So this was supposed to be for her first ape event, but because it got canceled, she changed the design a little bit. I'm going bananas. Awesome, it's a little monkey hanging in a tree. Melinda, thank you so much. I will add this to the Path Tag collection. We have 2 envelopes here from Practical Geocaching. We have a letter from Jim, the owner of Practical Geocaching. So I called into the Geocaching podcast, and because I called in, they sent me a little prize. We have geocaching labels, little things to put on the outside of your geocache to label it as a geocache. Oh, interesting. What in the world is this? This is a pusher tool. This is a pusher tool that can aid in touching bacteria-laden surfaces. It can open doors, it can push elevator buttons, handle caches. So this is like a little grabber tool, and then you can even put it on your keychain as well. Grab you, grab stuff, turn light switches off, you can open doors with it. This is cool. Thanks for the grabber, Practical Geocaching. That's super smart. We've got mail from my favorite magazine, from FTF Geocacher Magazine. Oh yes, I did it, guys. You found Spartacus. So in every issue of FTF magazine, there is like a Where's Waldo hunt where you have to find this guy Spartacus. When you find him, you email him, said that you found it, and then you can be entered to win this very special, exclusive Path Tag. And I got one. The only way you can get this is if you like win the contest. It's so shiny, guys. I found it. I found Spartacus. I enter the contest every single month, and I finally found Spartacus. Thank you, FTF Magazine. Ooh, good things come in padded envelopes. Sorry, I got excited. So this is from Randy, one of my faithful patrons, and all my patrons get Path Tags from me, and he was so nice to send me all the Path Tags. All the Path Tags that he made. We got a cute little Super America minion. We have a TFTC Path Tag. I love it. Oh, this is kind of like a Star Wars one. Tusken Raiders. We have a Shaped Aliens one. We have a Marines one. We have one that's like a bow tie company. This is an Aardvark tag. This is another one. It says FTF, first defined, and it's in the PBR logo style. And we have an awesome bike one. Randy, that was very generous of you. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. And thank you so much for being a patron. You are awesome. We have another padded envelope. This one is from Derek and Jessica Baker. Derek Baker is a geocaching YouTuber. He has a YouTube channel called Behind the Cache, and it's very well done. You have to check it out. But he sent me mail. It's like the Hunger Games bird on the back. Thank you so much for being on Geocaching with Kids. He has a podcast too called Geocaching with Kids. I was on one of the first episodes. We have a nice note, and the cool thing, it's from the whole family. So first thing, we have all their Path Tags. Here's the Behind the Cache Path Tag, love it. The kids of that family also have a channel. They're called the Nano Kids, and they've sent me a Path Tag as well. How cute is that? I love that Path Tag. Also have a little trackable tag from him. Not one, but 2 Geocaching with Kids coins. So there's the front side, great little design. Then we have the back side, which is like Geocaching Talk Network on the back. Baker 6 Clan, thank you so much. That was so kind of you. We're getting closer. We're getting closer to unveiling the mystery box, the thing I ordered 3 years ago, and I don't know what it is. We have more mail from more geocaching YouTubers. This one is from the super knots, and yes, that's right, another padded envelope. When you're a geocacher, great things come in padded envelopes. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. You guys might know and remember I'm a Goonies fan. I spent time in Astoria, Oregon. I went there just so I could geocache like a Goonie. That video is right up there. Super Knots know how much I love Goonies. First I'll check out the Astoria, Oregon Goonies can koozie. There's Goonies on the back, Astoria, Oregon on the front, and there's stuff inside here. I've wanted this. I wanted this geocoin for quite some time. And you guys, the Super Knots, you got it for me. Look it's the Goonies like geocoin. You gotta remember in Goonies when they like hold up the coin and then it matches up with the earth and then it tells you where the treasure is. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. I don't read pirate very well, but it says some like clues in the back. Maybe this will lead me to an amazing great treasure. Next time I'm in Astoria, Oregon, I'm bringing this along with me because there might be more treasure there. Look, they sent me a little postcard of Astoria. One of my favorite places to visit in the world. While here in Astoria, we found some treasure we thought you might like. Thanks again. Yes! Also, you guys know, look at, I love buttons. I love buttons on the jean jacket, and they gave me a little button. It's Goonies. It says never say die. That's going on my jean jacket right now. Right to my Cobra Kai button and my Back to the Future button. What a haul! This is like Christmas, man. I know what this one is. This is from Teespring. Yes! Can you see what it is? It is a geocaching vlogger face mask. As of this video, we are still in a global pandemic, and I decided to create a face mask through Teespring. I'm gonna try it on for the first time. First of all, it's very soft. It's very soft, so soft, so soft. Look at people, I'm repping the vlog while keeping safe and keeping other people safe. I don't know about you, but I'm realizing I have a very fat head. This is supposed to be like one size fits all, and it is pulling on my ears. I might need to stretch the elastic out a little bit, but it's very comfortable right here. So if you guys want this face mask or any of the geocaching vlogger stuff, in the link below, I will put the store there and you can check it out. You can get a face mask, we have t-shirts, everything, so you can check it out as well. There it is. Ooh, so nice. Congratulations if you got to this point. This is a big mail haul, but now's the time. It's been 3 years in the making. I'm really excited to see what the heck I ordered 3 years ago. All right, seriously, I have no idea what this is. Interesting. We have packing paper. Is it something fragile? What the heck? I don't even remember ordering this, guys. What is this? Oh, it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me. So first of all, I ordered a fake rock. So that's pretty cool. And then I ordered a Dr. B's newbie kit. So here's like a geocache. It's for somebody that's a new geocacher. This is like a newbie hider kit. And now it's all coming back to me. I ordered this for my nephew because I wanted to give him a cache kit so he could like hide his first geocache. And that was 3 years ago. The mystery is revealed. Oh, that was a huge, huge unboxing haul. Thank you so much for everybody that sent me something. And I want to thank myself for sending something to myself that I forgot about. If this is the first time watching my video, make sure you subscribe. Thanks so much. And you can go over here and you can watch more of my geocaching adventures, probably when I'm out doing something, not sitting at my table, opening geocaching holiday birthday extravaganza. All right, guys, thanks for watching.